Hello guys, this is Aditya documenting my coding journey and this is day 15. So guys, today we will be studying about functions, not actually studying but just seeing how does functions work. So first of all, let's define a function. So we'll define a function. So define dot give average. So we'll be creating a function which would be giving average of three numbers. Okay. So we missed the semicolon. So sum is equals to a to b plus c and average is equals to sum divided by 3. Okay, so we would be printing our sum and we would return, no, we would be printing average and we would return average. So this is how we define a function. So def is the keyword which we use to define functions, and a b c, these three all are parameters. And now we'll call a function. So let's call the function. So we have to just write the name of the function and give values. So we have to give values of a b and c. So we'll give 4 5 6 and let's see. We'll get the output as 4 5 6. We'll get the output as 5 is the average of these three numbers. So what are 4 5 6? 4 5 6 are arguments. So I'll write here a b and c are parameters. Parameters you can also say as variables, so they can change values because we are creating a user defined function. This is a user defined function. There are two type of functions. One is inbuilt functions which Python gives us, and there are two second type of functions that are user defined function which we create. So a b c are parameters, and here 4 5 and 6 are arguments. So these are arguments, and this is basically calling of function. And this was the let's try once again. Give average, we'll be taking 10 comma 12 and 14. Let's try. So now the average is 12. Okay, so now the average is 12. So guys, this was functions, and this is why we use functions, so that we have to write smaller code. Because if you take 4 5 6, then add, then get the average, then again, so what is the use of a function? First define the function and you can use it infinite times in a code. You don't have to write the logic again and again. If we write this complete logic again and again, the code would be very long. So we write the logic one time and use it many times. Okay, so this is the primary function of a function in Python.